Stay updated with the latest developments in the Forex market. Here's the most recent news from RobotFX. The latest data released by SB Global reveals a mild contraction in the United States Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index PMI for December 2025. The PMI indicator, which provides insights into the health of the manufacturing sector, dipped to 51.8 from the previous 52.2 recorded during the same month. The updated figures released on January 2, 2026 highlight the marginal decrease in manufacturing activity as the year ended. A PMI above 50 generally indicates an expansion in the industry, while a reading below 50 suggests a contraction. Although the current PMI remains above the threshold for growth, the downward shift points to a slowing momentum in manufacturing, prompting analysts and economists to reassess their outlooks for the coming year. This recent update is crucial for businesses, investors, and policymakers as they gauge the resilience and potential challenges faced by the manufacturing sector amidst broader economic uncertainties. With global and domestic factors influencing economic conditions, stakeholders will be keeping a close watch on upcoming PMI data to better understand and navigate the manufacturing landscape. The material has been provided by RobotFX.org. Never miss news-driven moves. Use in news OCO expert advisor to place pending orders safely around economic releases. Find out more. Thanks for reading. Enhance your strategy with proven RobotFX tools. Check them out.